So hello and welcome guys once again in this video, and this is Masum here as always. Now in this video I'm gonna discuss that how celebrities can help you, celebrity podcast can help you to improve your spoken English. So before that, let me tell you that I hope you have already subscribed my channel, like my videos and comment on my videos. Now just a simple question, why listen to celebrities? Because here's the answer. Because the celebrities, they are speaking, they are talking in front of the camera. They are just using the simple language, the simple English which we are using in our daily life, not from the textbook. Okay, learn how they talk. Okay, just try to learn how they ask questions, how they provide answer of that questions, how they are exploring their spoken English in front of the camera, in front of the people. Copy and practice of their words, what they are using in their daily life in front of the camera, like in idioms, like in phrases, or in certain new words. Okay, just listen them and copy the words, copy the phrases, copy the idioms, and try to speak those words, those idioms, those phrases, or use it in your sentences. And one more thing, improve the pronunciation, because pronunciation is the main key role. Okay, hearing the way they are speaking can make you to pronounce the words they are using in their English language, can help you to enhance your spoken English. There are so many celebrities available. Celebrities videos are available in YouTube, so pick one of them and listen them carefully and speak with anyone, or try to speak with in front of the mirror. So next time you are watching a celebrities interview, don't just watch, listen carefully, learn carefully, and speak with them to like any shadowing speaking. Okay, for example, copying those words and idioms. Celebrities are speaking naturally. They are not speaking through they are not speaking like grammatically correct. Okay, they are always using the contraction form of that words. Like for example, I am going to do this. Instead of that, they always use it, I'm gonna do it. Okay, so use the contraction form, just copy them and use them in your spoken English. So in this way, what you can do, you can enhance your listening technique, you can enhance your understanding technique or understanding level, and then by applying those words, those idioms in your spoken English, you can enhance your spoken English, and finally you will become a from intermediate or beginner level to a native speaker. Okay, I hope you guys have already got me, and subscribe my channel, like on my videos, share my videos. So meet you on my next videos. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Goodbye.